Do this weekend is case monthly PS4 with Sledgehammer because you want the new PS5 that was by all secret mushrooms. Like the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this weekend in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't post that on
YouTube. Hey, what's up, guys? It's another. What?
Chill, bro. It's just a game, bro.
Yeah, it's just a game.
What's that all about? Anyway, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Oh Shiitake Mushrooms, and we're just cleaning the house today. It is just a mess. We have family coming over Saturday, and hello.
I'm not cleaning the house.
All right, we got Uncle Jay coming. We got the grandparents coming. What?
Uncle Jay!
Yeah.
I can't wait
Uncle Jay.
No, you guys gotta behave. I'm tired of it. Always you versus Uncle Jay. You guys gotta respect your uncle. He's your uncle. He's my brother.
I'm gonna kidnap his children! Yeah!
Alright, so what are you guys up to today?
I want a PS5! I want a PS5! I want a PS5! I want a PS5! Well, I want one.
What?
I want a PS5.
You have a PS4 and a new
No.
home.
My PS4 is a piece of...
Hey, watch your language.
No. I want a PS5. I want a PS5. 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 Ah! PS5.
You're not getting a PS5 because you have a PS4. Alright, fun day today, guys. We got a new window replacement for our minivan. You guys probably saw what happened on our last video when Leland smashed it. Holy what the hell just happened?
So I was testing how...
You just busted our window? So now we got a guy out there putting in a new window for us. This way too. You gonna get a new window, London? You're gonna get a new window, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, there's the new glass. Alright guys, so we got our new window! Yes, we got a new window! Woo! Yeah!
Yeah.
Exciting times, guys. Brand new window. Look at that.
Brand new window.
Brand new window. Will not break. Will not. It broke. What's up, guys? Just another day here. Got done doing our live stream for you captains and commanders on the Mushroom Army.
Yeah.
What? What is going on?
Work! The stupid PS4.
What is the matter?
The stupid PS4's not working.
You don't have a connection.
Give me a PS5. This stupid PS5.
PS5, that doesn't come out till like, I don't know, Christmas or something.
I want it.
And you got a PS4, you don't need a PS5. Hang on, check the connections, don't
I
pick it.
have been.
Okay, you're on the second input
Can
there.
I have a PS5?
No, you got a PS4, you don't need a PS5. Those are expensive. Yeah, just check the connections. Oh, just be careful of it.
Stupid crap.
Everything was expensive.
Get disconnected.
Oh, okay, hold on. Well, where are you going? Well, just check the... Where are you going? Let me take a look at it.
I don't know this. I'm gonna get this like a man.
Well, here, let me see it. Let me see it. Leland, let me see it. No, don't throw it! Oh my God! You just busted it, Leland.
Leland.
Oh my God! The cover just came right off of it, Leland. Damn it. God, look what he just did. I'm taking this back in. Oh, what are you doing to that sledgehammer? What are you doing to that sledgehammer? Leland, stop! Oh, Leland! No! Oh, my God! Leland! Oh! You just ruined it!
Piece of
Stick. Oh!
station.
Oh my God!
Gas station.
Put that sledgehammer back.
Put it down right now.
No, you.
Put it down.
Oh. God, what is the matter with you? Leland!
Leland.
Oh my God. That was our PS4, Leland. Leland.
The simple.
Oh. All because you couldn't get a connection? Oh my God.
Piece of shit.
Hey. Holy cow. You're definitely not getting a PS5 now.
Remember when I tried to smash the Xbox? This is way cheaper. Xbox took so many hits.
Look at that. God, why, Leland? Why?
Because it's a piece of crap.
Well,
Hey, this just
it's
proves.
ruined now.
This just proves that the Xbox is better than the PlayStation because we literally threw the Xbox. Like you threw it off the roof and it didn't break.
Yeah, this seemed like it fell apart a lot easier.
Yeah, I threw it over there and it broke.
The whole bottom part, like.
Yeah. It sucks.
Look at that. Hold on, maybe I can fix this. Whoa. God, you almost hit me with that. God, Leland.
I don't think you can fix it.
Leland.
Leland.
Smash the bottom part too.
I'm not supposed to get into my sledgehammer.
Well, that's supposed to work. Well, it definitely proves that the Xbox is better.
God, Leland. Oh, you think it's funny?
Yeah.
You're grounded. You're not getting a
That's
new
a
PS5.
piece of crap.
Go show your mother what you did.
I'm gonna show her the piece of crap.
Well, it's definitely not going to work now. How's that
Hey,
supposed to
look at
work?
this piece of crap.
Leland destroyed the PS4.
What's that?
That was his PlayStation 4.
Oh my gosh! Why did you do this?
They get you on a PS5.
Just got the window fixed. Why? Why? Because it sucks. Well, it does now.
Well,
It's always been.
and he wants a PS5?
Mom, I'm not buying you
anything.
Hold on, let me just tell you this. Remember when Dad threw my Xbox off of the roof?
That's because I'm sure you did.
It took so many tries to break
That's because
that.
you wouldn't do your homework.
Yeah, but that took so many tries to break it. It was perfectly fine.
That's so
And then,
feminine.
and remember you threw it and like 5 feet off of the ground and
You're grounded.
it broke in 2 pieces.
And you're not getting anything.
Okay.
Where you going now? Where you going now? Just go put it in the trash. You obviously ruined it. You ruined it.
I threw it from here all the way over
No,
there.
stop. Oh my God.
And it literally smashed in 2 pieces. And we threw the Xbox off our old roof and it didn't break. A piece of crap.
And you think you're gonna get a PS5? You think I'm gonna spend all that money on a PS5? This is how you treat your
Dad, hold on,
electronics?
be quiet. That's a sound.
Okay, so there's like a motorcycle in the background. Thanks for watching. Be sure to. He's still out here. Leland. God.
Piece of crap!
You're not getting a PS5. This is exactly why you're not getting a PS5.
Look at this piece of crap. This just proves Xbox is better.
There's like a million pieces now. And all these tiny little pieces, Leland. You're gonna pick up every single one of these pieces.
I hope a turtle eats one of these and chokes on it.
What is the matter with you? We don't have turtles out here.
Sadly. Actually, no, I don't love that because you know how much metal straws we're
No,
gonna have
piece
to pay for
broken.
that?
Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to us and also check out Leland's awesome videos. And
I took out a corner of it.
oh my God.
Piece of crap.
Ha! You missed.
Fell apart way too easy.
I was gonna play Spider-Man.
Hasn't been broken
God!
once.
And here's the damage control.
Yeah.
just have one normal day.
Really? No way.
That's all I want.
Really? No way. No way. Really? No. No.
God, this looks like it exploded. Well, maybe I can fix this. Well, maybe I can't. Kale's a lot better at dealing with technical issues.
Dad, that's not possible to fix.
Here, fix it.
That's not fixable.
All right, so Kale's gonna fix the PS4, hopefully, and I'm gonna get back on the Xbox to play Minecraft. Whatever, I'm done. Leland, open the trash bin. My hands are full. Leland! Leland! Oh my God. Go into the trash. Leland! Leanna, look what happened.
What the heck happened to this game?
That's the PS4, or what used to be the PS4.
I thought he enjoyed playing on it. How does this stuff even happen?
Sledgehammer. Maybe I could fix it.
With duct tape?
Ridiculous.
Hold on, let's see here.
I don't know.
Oh
It
my
seems
God.
pretty difficult.
Maybe this piece goes here. Maybe that, I think that folds in somehow. That goes in there. This piece, I remember it went on top somewhere. It's like trying to put together a sandwich!
Yeah.
And then this is the lid. This is all your fault.
Hey, maybe you could try fixing my Nerf bullet.
I'm trying to fix the game here.
That's not.
Key thing is, you just gotta get it to all just back together. Ah! Ah, it's caught on my shirt. Not a sharp pieces.
I don't think you can fix it. It's pretty destroyed.
I think I can fix it. I can fix anything.
Really?
Duct tape can fix anything.
You telling yourself that.
Ow!
That's a lot of duct tape.
There. Now I need just. Oh God, my hand just stuck to it. Ow! Put down my phone. This is a failure.
Ow. Like you.
Alright guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and... Ow! Pulling on the hair! Ow! God, I'm done. I can't do any more of this. Get out of the way. You're grounded.
Alright, hey guys, so I'm gonna do a video on there's also videos about me unboxing the PS5. What?
You're not getting a PS5. We've gone over this already.
Mom, I'm getting a PS5.
You're not getting a PS5. You're not getting a PS5.
I'm getting a PS5, guys, just know that.
Guys, Keys Multi PS4 with Sledgehammer because you want the new PS5 that was by all the mushrooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out and drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell so we know the 5 minute blow in the mud. Bye.